Canva here, canva.com. We just want an Instagram post. Now that we have an Instagram post, we are not going to use any of their templates. We're going online to search for a template. This is perfect. Let's download it and then upload it to our Canva. Okay, so we're going to do something similar to that. Right now we're in our element and looking for gradients. We've got one. Now we need to fix the color, so let's just go grab the picture so we can pick the color from the picture so we get the same color. All right, now that we are there, we can then duplicate this and then once we have duplicated this, then we group them, and grouping them we can then duplicate it again just to be able to create a shadow behind it for it to look as if it's a shadow, but it's an illusion that it's a shadow. Now let's type happy Easter. So happy, we've done that first. Choose a perfect font for it, duplicate it to type the Easter. Now let's look, reduce the size. There is a slow version of this on my channel, so you can do that. You can go to askasabea and then get the slow version of it. And now we have our sales. That looks great. Now we're left with the up to 50% sales. Let's make sure we adjust everything properly, and then we can now type out 50, duplicate the first one and change it to percentage off. The next is we're going to put our picture right on the side, but we have to fix this thing properly, align it very well. There we go. There we go. Good. Like I said, I have a slower version of this. We go to Pixabay and pick a picture. Choose a picture for this. It's on my channel. It's askasabea. You can pick that. And then we right click and then save it on the background. Didn't look great, so I just had to change it. I just go pick my logo and then put it somewhere. Just trying to find a perfect place. My name is Asabea, and all you have to do is just relax and ask.